We will be going over a select installation on a secondary wall for a wall to offset or offset to open design, common in most U or L-shaped closets. Review your design and determine the rail length. Cut the rail accordingly. Position the cut rail in the corner as shown in the select wall-to-wall video. Install the rail using the black stud screw in each stud, with an anchor screw in the first and last hole and between each stud. There should be a screw every 8 inches or less. Prep and install panels, shelves, and hardware per your design. For this offset to wall section, install the fixed shelves first by aligning the through panel with the end of the rail. Then install all the movable shelves. You may encounter an out-of-square end wall and want to cut and scribe the shelves. The movable over movable section of your design can be cut. To do this, remove the stacks and bump the fixed shelf section approximately 1 inch toward the end of the wall. Place a movable shelf above the section and scribe lines at both vertical panels. Cut the shelf and place it on the shelf pins. For a tight fit against the wall, if you will always scribe an end section, cut the rail 1 inch short prior to installing. Now the rail, vertical panels, and shelves have been installed, panel clips need to be added to all opened ends and 72-inch panels. Firmly press the cabinet sections against the end wall and use a level to plumb the vertical panels. Hold the clips against the wall and the inside of open end panel. With a pencil, mark the diamond hole and use a 5/16" drill bit to drill a hole through the drywall at the mark. Insert an anchor and screw. Then drive the small panel clip screw through the clip into the vertical panel. Add rod flanges and close rods in the correct location. When installing an offset to open section, start by measuring the rail offset from the back wall and make a vertical mark. Review your design, cut and install the rail at the vertical mark, and install the parts. Your design will indicate either an RS or LS for right or left stop panels. Ensure your stop panel is flush with the end of the rail. Next, install a panel clip to both end panels, starting with your open end first. After all the parts have been installed, add a panel cover cap to the open stop panel to cover the exposed rail. Congratulations, you have now finished installing the Select system.